Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel, and in this video I'll be showing you the basics of building in Roblox. So first of all, you need to open your Roblox Studio. When you download Roblox, you should definitely have Roblox Studio pre-installed. So here I am already in Roblox Studio, and let's try on clicking one of these templates. For this video we're going to the classic base plate. So as you can see here, we are in the studio. There are some tools, but for this video I'm gonna only be telling you the basics. So here we have the terrain editor. Now head over to model, because for the basics I'm just gonna use a block as our example for this video to make it easier. So we can do lots of stuff with this block using the tools over here on the upper left side of the screen. So if you click on move, you can move it up or down by just dragging the arrows. Boom, one moves it to the left and right, the right back and forth, and then scale. It's for like increasing the size or decreasing it. You can see it here. You can move deform it to however way you want. Then there's the rotation. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Then I copied it and then pasted. And then trying to build a wall here, just to show you how many things you can do by just adding some models and just playing it with it using these tools over here. I'm not gonna make something amazing in this video. I'm just gonna show you how you can make something amazing by learning the basics. Of course, you need to start from the beginning in order to get somewhere awesome, right? Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to use the terrain. So the terrain, you just need to click on the add tool and you should be able to add some terrain based on what you want to add. I click on grass for this one, click on subtract, and there you go. You can remove some of the terrain that you want to remove. I tried using a really big one this time. Then to use the other tools such as grow. This is the grow tool. Basically it's self-explanatory, it makes it grow for you. Then there's also the paint. You can change the texture and turn it into a cobblestone texture. You can do so much. Here, try adding water over here. Then try using the sea level tool. There's also the flatten tool, which flattens the landscape. There's also the smooth one. Basically everything has its own use and you can just experiment with it. Just showing you where you can find it. Okay, now in order to go back from the basic, you can use the clear tool to remove everything. Then there's something amazing is that you can generate Roblox Studio can generate a terrain for you. You can just click on generate, choose whatever you want to find, and just click on generate. Modify anything, we just need to wait. And here you go. This is generated terrain by Roblox itself, and you can do whatever you want with this. Just modify it to your own, add some buildings perhaps or what. Then if you want to test it out, you can click on test, click on play, and it will launch a experience for you, and there you go. You can run around however you want. There's so many things you can do with Roblox Studios. There are so many other features that I haven't tackled on either, because I just want to show you the basics. If you get better at these things, you can go ahead and dive into those more complex things. But that's the tutorial for now. Like, share, and subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching. This is Generation Unravel saying bye bye.